Hi there, I'm Nat. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create switches in Figma. The result is as shown here. Now let's jump to it. We are covering two types of switches. One I call it small one, and another one I call it card one. First, let's deal with the small one, which will be placed here later. Now, as you can see, we have two frames, one is off and one is on. And first we need to make them a component set. So select, create component set. Now we have a component called small switch. These are two variants of this component. Next, we need to create the prototype. Switch to prototype and drag to on. In this card, we leave it to on tab, change to property 1, smart animate. I think it will be good. So let's try our luck. So smart animate. And next, from on to off, select on and drag to off, on tab, change to smart animate. Okay, that's all done. With this small switch, we can find this component in assets. Here, drag and drop. We will have a button here. Now let's see if it works. Okay, as you can see, when I click here, it changes. Next, let's deal with this card button or card switch. Oops. Come on. Okay, next, let's deal with the card switch. The steps are similar. Select them, create component set, and double click to this small button, drag to on. On tab, change to property 1, smart animate. And this one as well, drag to off. On tab, change to property 1, smart animate, ease out. And we can also drag and create an instance of this component from the main component, as you can see here, and place it on the right place. Okay, now let's see if it works. Yay! So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.